Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
$50,000 subscribers. This is insane, guys. I'm always just so happy to see that there's people that are stoked on what we're doing and what we're building and what we're having fun with. So I'm glad you guys were able to join us. Thank you guys for 50,000 subscribers. I want to do a big video, but I just got back in town and I've kind of been delayed on the videos and also dropped a few new things on the website. So right now, what is live is the MOPBOYZ keychains, and I talked about it in the last video. I'm gonna be giving one of these away to whoever commented on the last video. I'm gonna do that real quick right now, and if I say your name and you aren't watching this video and you don't know that you won, you suck for not following along with the videos. But these are live on the site right now, and you can also get these with a combo pack that comes with a MOPBOYZ JDM Shuddy sticker, so you can get the keychain and the sticker. So we're gonna go is on this video. Comments are not in any order, they're just in random order. So I'm just gonna go all the way down, load them all. Load all the comments. See, as you can tell, this one's from 6 days ago at the bottom. One's from 5 days ago. No order at all, they're in just random order. So we're just gonna go. No random order. No way! Juan won the keychain. Hey! Hey, Juan, you better be watching this video or else you're gonna get no keychain. I'm just gonna give away another one on this video since Juan won that last one. Comment on this video, anything down below, and I'll give a keychain to one of the comments down below. I want one of you guys to have it. So I'll even throw in a MOPBOYZ Shuddy sticker right here. So this is the combo pack. You can get yourself one of these stickers. But seriously, thank you guys so much. Alright boys, let's get started with the video. What is that? What's happening, Chief? 2 pies in and just got the kicker case off. This Chuck's changing out the rollers in his. Out the preem bag too. He's going with a 30 missile. Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
Ryuk's ass.
His skin is on the pipe.
No way.
Hey baby. Oh, his fur and skin.
The Oko piece.
Sheesh. Card.
Storm status. We're at the mob out on the leads over to Mcgloberons' house and help him with his new 89 that he picked up with the Af16 motor in it, and he basically got a new card today, as you saw, and we're about to throw that on. Throw on the carb, throw on the intake, and hopefully get the bike running better, because before, when I went over there, he was running with the AF05 and it was just running super bad. Af16 swapped it and it was still running super bad, and it had a stock carb, stock Manny, and we found out it was a like 80cc or 80.
It's like an
82 cc big bore kit on it when we thought it was originally a stock 50. Makes sense of the problem because it was running super lean and got super hot. So hopefully with a bigger Manny, bigger carb, and a new tune setup, that'll be running good.
We're gonna do it, man. We're gonna get on it.
Yep. Chuck said he ain't messing with the new red wheels. The stroker's running super winky right now. Is that a fire on the sidewalk? What the fuck?
got the tack in, wired all up.
And then all of a sudden trying to do something.
New carb piece. Mini piece. Butt plug.
Look, that one came with a spacer.
Yep, we swapped this Af16 into Mcgloberons. You know, I call him Chug now. Into Mcgloberons 89 Elite. So he's got the Af16 piece in here now. Had to do the custom shock mount because if you know, the other shock mount's way up here. And custom motor mount. Now I gotta throw the trans in and this thing should run. When's the last time you fired it up?
Well,
Huh? A while?
yeah, it's been all apart. I've been waiting.
Yep.
I literally, as soon as I ordered the parts, I stripped it already.
Yep. Alright, I'm changing the plug right now on my bike because look how bad this plug was. Super wet plug, and it wasn't actually all the way down. That was an issue I was already having with it last time because I couldn't get the right wrench in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this 8 in because I was running a B9.
You gotta get you a better pipe to really let that 80
Yeah,
breathe.
because that pipe's like good for a 70.
It's good for
72.
70 up to a 90, but it's just not good on the top end if you really want to
Right,
make power.
that's that wheelie pipe.
Yeah, that's that wheelie pipe action.
That wheelie pipe
That
piece.
mid-pipe action.
I just changed my plug on my bike, so hopefully see if it's running better. My bike was running super weird on the way over here.
The Pasola guys, they run these fucking V8 style pipes on their jogs. And they're really quick off the bottom, but they run like stock gears. But like,
And they're like, wah, wah, just super.
they get all squirrely.
What do they do again? ZX pulley piece. You had to shave down the case to just make sure you don't rub the belt off with the big pulley.
That's how I did it. That's how I did it on my other one
bro.
when I took it apart last time.
We got two chucks working on that scooter. First install of a clutch without having a crescent wrench slap the ground. Oh my god, what size is that thing?
1.5.
1.5, boy.
I need that.
It's have to fucking make it bigger.
Yep. Alright, we'll be back. Nicely it opens.
Smooth.
That's how it should open.
Can't believe it's not butter.
And if
How
you
it's
don't,
done.
This is how you do it. This
I'll
is how I
film,
do it.
I'll film both
Not
both
even. I'll do
the
it by
Mcgloberons
myself.
doing it.
Right here, I'll do it by myself. Watch.
by yourself, you're a monster.
How many Mcgloberons does it take to
That's how
put
I
a clutch
used to-
together?
How I used to do it. Hold on. Yes, sir.
Stock. Alright, we're going back to stock trans. No ZX pulley because do not have variator trims or the different ramps, so the offset was super weird on the belt.
So you see
Kept giving us problems.
how an S belt fits with this transmission?
Like
See?
butter.
How it goes on, and it's not engaging the spring, so like the SYM belts will actually, you have to fucking squeeze it like that to where it engages the spring, and then you can slip it over. The belts are actually too short, so that's like a restrictor. It defeats the purpose of a ZX trans unless you have the right length belt. So a lot of people don't know that.
The more you know.
Yeah, don't mess with that, dude. Don't mess with that.
Just fucking.
Hey! Sounds happy. Oh, son! The tire almost hits the ground too.
Yeah.
Kickstart, though.
Yeah, for real. Yeah. Die.
It's got power though.
Yeah, bro, it's popping up. Dude, it snapped, yeah. It sounds good actually right there. There she goes. The wind down sounds so good. Huh?
This thing's fast as shit.
I told you, bro.
Have fun on this real quick.
You feel it pop like it
Bro.
pulls up?
You're gonna love it, bro. When it
The front wheel wants to come up, huh?
when it hits the pipe, bro, it goes.
So last time it was bogging off the start. For real.
Like
Honestly, that's all you need, bro.
Bro.
I want a motor like that now.
I went to turn and I gassed it, and the front end was just sliding.
Yeah. I told you, bro. It's so light. This bike's so light compared to the S. So what size is it? 90?
I want to take it off and measure it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't even know what size bore this thing is. So it was a 30 mil carb, had a 140 main in it on the stock piece. What you thinking?
Temp gauge would really help out to figure
Oh
out.
yeah, we got no temp gauge. Got that
But
tack though.
I'm gonna put it like a 145 in it to feel safe. And then blow it back and forth. Yeah, suck and blow.
I gotta give you a little sucking.
You're natural at that, bro. We rejetted it, so we're gonna see if it's running a little better. Sounds a little funky.
Too rich.
Yeah. It picked up on him.
That's okay. I'll just park it.
Yups. Bike's running back. Put the new plug in the bike. Feeling like a different beast now. Of course, just like always, my plug was just getting blown out, losing threads on it. Thank you guys again for 50K subscribers. It's insane. I cannot even believe it, and I really can't say thank you guys enough. Make sure you guys just leave a thumbs up, show your support on the channel, and we're gonna keep having fun out here. Almost time for a retune on the stroker piece. Yup. Probably can't see nothing right now. Yup. Stalling with it. Blew the plug off, I feel like. Did I blow the plug cap off? Bike's running super weird right now, so this thing needs a full retune right now. I need to get a better spark plug cap because I keep going through spark plugs. I need one of the rubber cap ones. Alright boys, we just gotta get this stroker piece home and we'll mess more with it later, but that's pretty much gonna do it for tonight. We got to Mcgloberons. We were able to get his scooter running. Like I said last time we went over there, we got it running, but it had stock intake, stock carb on it. It was just running super funky. Then we found out, after pulling off the shrouds and everything, that the motor that we bought a few videos ago, it's gonna be confusing, because we bought it with Chuck. Chuck sold the motor to Mcgloberons off that red one that we bought with the Jap headset. And basically that motor that we thought was a 50cc we bought from the guy was actually like a 90cc big bore, which I've never even seen yet. I've only seen like the 72 or the 120, but found that out and we had to get a bigger intake, bigger carb, got that thing running a lot better. Make sure you guys leave a thumbs up if you're liking the content. Leave a comment down below what you guys want to see. And I'll see you guys in the next one.